and his car today.
I didn't like the look of it when he put his indicator on to move to the left lane.
Oh, it's just hit that car.
I thought the lady driver of the car did very well. She was very lucky. It could have been a lot worse. I gave her my phone number and told her I had a dash cam of the accident. She was not injured and the truck driver was really calm, and he was coughing to it all, that is, admitting to it was all his fault. It was all calm, so I wasn't going to hang around for police. I didn't want to talk to them and get tied up taking statements. The lady ended up not living too far away from me and came and picked up the video. She was very kind, really amazing lady. Apparently the driver was fined for logbook entries and, at a guess, careless use of a motor vehicle. Apparently, according to locals who stopped there, quite a lot of these types of accidents happen here. Trucks are not allowed in the slow lane on the left side, so they have to be on the right. And then they have to cross over to the left lane in case the police way station has the stop signs going. If trucks don't stop then, they are fined.
Doesn't look like too much damage, and the gentleman riding it walked away from it, so hopefully he's okay. Maybe a little bit of damage to his license plate rear end here. Anyways, with those words, I want to thank you people for your time and your attention. Cheers.
What in the world is wrong with people? Are you kidding me? And she's looking at the phone and everything. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Point spread was Illinois plus 9.5 at home. But what has since happened is everybody else felt that way too. And a ton of money came in on Illinois.
Sorry, bro.
58% of the bets have been on Illinois plus the points. 72% of the money has been on Illinois plus the points. And as we talked about with our good friend Jeff Schwartz just a week ago, on the road, a revenge spot against Illinois. Yeah, Nebraska has more good players. I'm not going to overthink this. That's where I 0.5 points. 69.5. I'd be inclined to go over because I think we will see points on both sides of this one. I'm just not willing to commit to that point spread. UCLA is going to win. UCLA is the better team. And it's going to give them an opportunity to get ready for week 2, which will be a much more juicy matchup when they... Yeah, for now, I like UCLA to win. I don't have a lean in terms of the point spread. I do like the over, though.
Yeah, I like slow start UCLA eventually covering this game. I just think where you can beat UCLA is up front on that defense. I think they have a couple guys that are decent up front on that upper level, but against Hawaii, against the Hawaii defense.
Quick to blame, young bull. A young wolf howling and yapping outside the den, making a racket. This is not a thing of wolves. Hopper was gone in an eye blink. Aaron growled, looking eastward where he sensed the wolves. He took off after them, going more cautiously.
See people race Mini Coopers.
What are you doing, buddy?
Really? Got that on Dashcam too.
What? Don't fucking go nowhere. Stay there.
I got that on Dashcam. Got that on Dashcam.